Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video and share something I thought was pretty cool. I don't think I'm the first one who's ever tried it. It was just a really neat effect. So I'm going to walk you through it. You can see where I've already started and I'm going to show you how I got there. This is a used piece of transfer foil used for metal leafing I was working with. And I took some of the Elaine's Tack It over and over. Added a couple drops of water in this little container, used one of my mica paint brushes to apply the Elaine's here. I let it dry and I came back and I took some of those pieces that are still good here and rubbed it in and got this really neat effect on this Zuri mold resin cast. So I'm going to do that now, let it dry off camera, come back and just show you. Thought that would be pretty cool. You could do this on any color. It doesn't have to be black. I have a lot of those due to my mica painting hobby. The black always helps it show up brighter and better to me. I'm just trying to spread it out good and even. You can see that it has a white color when you just applied it. You'll know it's dry when it goes clear. That should take about 15-20 minutes. All right, I'm gonna let that dry and then we'll come back and I'll just show you how easy it was to rub that little bit on there and we'll go from there. See you in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. So you can see that the Elaine's has dried. It is clear now. And I'm gonna take just some sections of this and lay it over here, kind of press it down, use a dry toothbrush, push it on there, kind of scrub it. And after I'm satisfied that I've done it long enough, pick it up. I'm going to repeat this all the way around. Let's see, I'm going to get a better piece here. I think you could feasibly reapply a little more if you had an area you wanted to touch up since it dries clear. I've been able to do that with mica anyway. I also did his face after I turned the camera off. I would like to see what the whole thing looks like. Alright, so you kind of get the point. It looks a lot more brilliant to the naked eye than I think the camera can catch it. I would clear coat this when you were done, or it's going to stay sticky and attract dust and fuzz. I have heard from other crafters on YouTube that clear coat spray paint takes away some of the shine from the foil, so I would recommend this quick coat or just some sort of clear urethane sealer. That I heard did better on Luxinda Swirl's channel. She had used these foils on some tumblers and found that the standard clear coat dulled them down, so give her credit for that. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you another method of coloring some of your more intricate molds with some bright, pretty rainbows. Enjoy!